Okay guys, this is a small one. It's a 3 liter. See, this second one, it's a 5 liter. This third one, it's a 10 liter, and this big one, it's it's focusing 20 liters. Hopefully I can lift these ones with that almost destroy rod. Everything is gone on that rod. All the ceramic guide, all of them is gone. And yeah, we see what will happen. See you guys when I was testing it. Hey guys, welcome to new video. In this video I wanna test one of my old rods. It's already broken, all the ceramic guides are gone. I wanna try to see that on the rod it's written that it's capable to handle 8 to 12 kilograms. In this video I wanna try to see how strong is this rod. If this rod survive from this video, I will change all the guides. I will turn it to a spin rod. Stay tuned and watch till end the video. Okay, I have several buckets over here. 20 kg, 10, 3 and 5. First I will start with the 3, and I have a 80-pound braid line on this rod. Hopefully can handle all of it and don't break, then I will change it to beautiful rod. Okay. It's almost completely bent. Okay, we're gonna put it down. Now we go for the other one. Okay, it has survived 3 kg. Let's pass. We go for 5 kg. Okay. This is a pretty old rod. This is my first rod. I used to learn fishing with this rod. Okay, now I changed the bucket. Now it's on 5 kg. We're gonna try it now. Oh, nice. Like the drag. Yeah, that's heavy like this, but if you want to lift it with hand, it's easy. One more time. Now we go for the yeah. Okay, now we go for 10 kg. Oh, again I tied it up. And the good thing is that also I can understand what's the max drag for this reel, because it's some kind of cheap reels. Okuma Revenger or V8 80. See how that can handle. You just put some uh-oh. One more time, we make sure just tight this drag. That's heavy. Okay. 10 kg pass. That's kinda hard. Okay. 10 kg also pass. If you guys think that it will also pass the 20 kg, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Now we go to check the 20 kg. I don't think it can handle this one, but we're gonna give it a try. Hopefully can also lift this one. I don't know even myself I can lift it or not. Uh-oh. Line snap. It was coming up?
No.
Okay. Now I know this drag, this reel can also handle 20 kg drag. Good. Hold this one. I think the line is old because that is snapping. Okay. Now this is a better color. Okay. Put that one also. Okay. Okay. It's heavy. The line. It doesn't have a guide because that the line is just snapping. But it was lifting it. I'm a little bit excited. It's a good rod. Oh. This line is a 80 pound, must not break this easily. This line just is snapping because of the ring guides. This one also is busted. Sorry. Okay. Oh. like the drag. Okay. Oof. Okay. Now what I know, what I understand is that this braid is just lying. It's not an 80 pound, and is snapping from this guide. This guide is completely fine. This guide is completely fine, and it's snapping from here. Then this braid is not a real braid. I think we're gonna try with something else. Just wait here. Okay guys, I'm back. BG 6500 diver, and with the 80 pound diver braid. I know that's a good stuff. 200 pound leader. Hopefully I can lift that. I just changed this. Okay, good boy, you can handle 20 kg. That's good. Okay. Okay. This rod is rated for about 20 kg drag, or maybe more, I'm not sure, maybe 25, but it's pretty strong reel. But this rod I'm surprised about it. I was not thinking even be able to lift the 10 kg, but it's a good thing to I see that it can lift the. Okay, I just put this much. If this snaps, I will change it to uni nut. Hopefully it will not snap or anything. Okay, we're going to tight drag. So it's not tight.
خیلی رفت توش آگرش رفت توش.
منو بگیر. Now I will try. Hopefully don't snap in my face. Wow, I was not expecting to see this. One more time to make sure. This rod survived. You guys will see this rod in a next episode that I will start to rebuild it. And just show here, give me. If you guys can read, this is the rod. It's rated for 8 to 12 kg. and it's a boat rod. Hopefully I can make a one good light setup for topwater fishing from this rod, and we catch some big fish with this one. In New Zealand there is not that much fish, not that big fish, it's just a kingy, and it's a little bit hard to you reach to there, but it's good. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thanks guys for watching, and if you have any idea to what I make a video about it, if you like to know, if you like to see I go to special places for fishing or anything, just let me know, and in future also I will upload some trout fishing video.